Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a super exciting one. This is my studio and beauty room tour. I wanted to skip doing a long intro talking to you guys and jump right into the video, so I hope you enjoy. Right here next to the door on the left, I have my page from People Magazine when I was featured in People Magazine. I have it framed right there. I just love it. It was such an honor and such like a huge time in my career. So I just like to have that right there just to remind me of how far I've come. And then I have a plant right here on top of this shelf. I just got this from Chris and Dominique today. I'm so excited to try those. So this shelf right here holds my PR. I just filmed a video unboxing all of my PR yesterday. So it's pretty clean, pretty cleared out. Usually it's full and overflowing onto the floor, so I probably should get a bigger one in the future, but this works just fine right now. I just have like my supplies up here, some stuff I'm gonna give away to my family members, my drone right here, and a few packages that I need to unbox. So right next to that is my jewelry. So I put all of my jewelry in here. I ran out of room so fast in my old house, and all of my jewelry was like tangled together and it was just a mess. So when we built our new house and we moved in, I was like, I am getting the pack system for my jewelry. So this is the pack system. It's the same system I use for my makeup. It's just skinnier. And I really love it, guys. It keeps me so organized, and I can lay my jewelry flat in here so I can see everything. It has the soft close too. So these are just some of my necklaces in here. Have some up there too. These are roses from Anastasia Beverly Hills that she gave me for my birthday. My collab with Jouer Cosmetics, and just a few other cute PR boxes on top. And then I have like my silver earrings all in here. I like to keep them laid flat like this. I think I'm gonna get a different organizer for these so I can put each set of earrings in like their individual compartment. But for right now, this works just fine. My gold earrings. So they're all color coordinated. Like these are pinks, rose gold, and whites. And then down here is like my colorful earrings like that. My rings, watches, bracelets. You know, just some smaller earrings too. So right here are all of my sunnies. Well, most of them anyway. I'm running out of room, so I think I'm gonna get a different system for my sunnies. But for right now, those are where they are. And then I have these two glass drawers on the bottom, just holding random things. So that is what you see when you first walk in. All right, so immediately when you walk in, straight ahead is my makeup storage system. You guys have seen this. In case you haven't, I did a full like clean out, building everything, and then I did an entire makeup collection tour. I will link both of those videos down below for you guys. So this is the pack system from IKEA. So the only major difference, like the biggest change to my system since I posted my makeup tour collection video, is I have organizers for all of my eyeshadow palettes now. They're from Sunny Cosmetics as well. You guys know I love their organizers, so this keeps me super organized too. All of my eyeshadow palettes are now in those organizers. So nice. I love them so much. So yeah, if you guys want to see the entire tour, just click the link below. And then next to that is my skincare system. I just organized this and put this here. It's in one of my latest vlogs. This shelf was in Milo's nursery in our old house. And the thing about our house now is that our ceilings are so tall that everything looks really small and really short. So this did not look right in our living room. So I was like, hey, I'm not using it. So I decided to use it for my skincare. I got this idea from Jasmine Regmi. I saw her post it on her YouTube and I thought it was such a good idea. I actually ordered a completely different system, another pack system for my skincare. But when I saw she used this, I was like, duh, I'm not even using this shelf, and it would be perfect for my studio. So that's just a picture of me that someone drew. So I just got it framed. I thought it was so cute. Some of my favorite skincare. And then I have this all organized. Cleansers. These are moisturizers and eye creams, serums and masks, toners, SPF, and exfoliators. So that is my skincare. So to the left of my skincare is where I actually film. Let me go ahead and give you guys a tour of my filming area. So I use fabric backdrops sometimes, but I do like to switch it up and, you know, have different backgrounds. So this is an entertainment system from IKEA. I forget what it's called. I originally got it for our living room, but it's just way too small on the wall out there. And I was like, you know what? I wanted one for my studio anyway. And it was literally the one I wanted for here. So it worked out perfect. So I just put this in here. This has a lot of decor. Oh my gosh, about to fall out. This actually holds all of my decor for my shelf. So I just have this cute rose bear Ivan got me. I actually just used this backdrop in two of my recent YouTube videos. My little lamp right here. My poster from my meet and greet in Beauty Bakerie at their store in San Diego. They had that made for me and I framed it. I thought it was so cute. This light right here is my backdrop light. It lights up my background and it's really nice because I can like adjust the settings and the temperature and everything. And it's nice and and small and lightweight, so I can mount it up really high like this and it's not in the way, or like there's not cords dangling everywhere, so it's really nice. Back here are my reflectors. I love using reflectors to bounce light when I film. It's just amazing. I love it the way it looks on camera. This is my backdrop stand. You probably remember from like our old house that I used to have a huge triple, like 3-roll backdrop stand for my paper backdrops, but it was huge, you guys, and it broke, and it was just time for me to switch to fabric backdrops because they're so much easier and you can put them away. So I got these 2 stands right here to hang up my backdrop. This little picture, I just thought it was pretty, so I put it in here. And then this is where I sit and film. I'm gonna tell you guys all the equipment that I use, and I also will link it all below for you guys. So every light and camera and everything like that, that'll all be listed below. All right, so this is where I film. First thing I'm gonna show you is my desk, my filming desk. This is from Impressions Vanity. I love it because I can see what is in here, and being able to see what is in here makes it so much easier when I'm filming. Oh, there's my concealer, grab it. Oh, there's my moisturizer, grab it. So it's really nice to have this, and the only thing I don't like about it is the drawers are kind of tricky to pull open, and then also they're really shallow, so you have to you can only put certain products in here, but it's fine. So that is my filming desk. And for those of you that are going to ask, my chair is from IKEA as well. So next to my filming desk is my 5 drawers storage unit from Impressions Vanity as well. I just like to keep things that I use frequently in here, or like palettes I'm going to use on the top. And then I think these are lashes that I've used. My hairbrush, some skincare stuff. I don't even know what else is back there. So this is more equipment, like some cables that I need, remotes, gloves for one of my lights. Like, it's so hot to touch, you have to use gloves. Just like tape and just a few extra things. Down here, like my makeup wipes, I always have to have a ton of makeup wipes. I go through them so crazy, especially when I do my lip videos. In that Dose of Colors bag are like jewels and stuff, rhinestones, and then my Kleenexes, because I'm always sneezing, guys. I have the worst allergies. And down here, all of my headbands and like skincare headbands and stuff like that. So that is everything that is in this drawer. The mat that I have like underneath my table is like a plastic rolling mat that you would use for like a computer chair. And the reason why I got this one is because if I drop anything on it, I can wipe it up or mop it up and it won't ruin our carpet. So that's why I have this. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I've been mounted extension cords all over my studio because I'm always running out of like outlets. So these hold my batteries right here. I have one right here, and then I have a few more all around. So these are my speakers. I love to listen to music when I'm filming. Some scissors, tweezers, whatever else I need right there. These hold like makeup brushes or new products I want to try. AirPods. This is one of like, I guess like a filler light. I don't use it very often. I got it off Amazon. If I need a little extra brightness on the left side of my face, I just use this. I don't really use it too often, guys, but that is what it's called. Honestly, doesn't even get too bright, but it does the job when I need it to. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get into talking about what my equipment is, what I use, and everything like that. Okay, so this huge white thing, this big white square, that is a diffuser. I like to use that to diffuse the light. It makes the light softer, softens the skin, and it's not so harsh on your skin. Oh, and the diffuser, as you can see, it's like a metal frame, and I have it attached to whatever this is called. I'm not sure the name of this, but I think it's like a clamp or something. But it's really nice that it's on both sides. They're on like one of those clamps, and then they're just on one of these stands like that. So yeah, that is how I have the diffuser up. Here is my main light source. This is the only light source that I use, like pretty much my main front light source. It is the Kino Flow Diva Light 21. It is the newer version of the Diva Light 400 and 401, and it is so insanely bright, you guys. It's literally the only light I need. I thought I would need another one, but it's so bright, you only need one. It's amazing. So if you are really serious about getting into filming or YouTube and you want to invest in really good lighting, I highly suggest this. It's definitely worth the investment. Very pricey, but definitely worth it. And then I just have it on a stand, the same stand that I use for my backdrop. It's just like mounted. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys my mic. So before I get off track and forget to tell you guys, here's my microphone. It is, what is it? It's a Rode mic. I think it's the Micro. It's like the $40 mic. And you guys, it is the best mic that I've had. I've had the $1,000 mics. I've had the $200, $300 mics. They all were nowhere near as good as this one. I'm telling you, it's so awesome. So I just have it like this, and then I have it on a stand right here. So I have it right above me so I get super clear, crisp audio. You can put this like on your camera. It's an onboard microphone, but I just like to have it above me. I feel like my audio is clearer and more crisp that way. The boom stand for my mic is made by Rode too, which is the same brand as my microphone. I got it off Amazon, but any boom stand you can find will work perfect. All right, here is one of my cameras. Cameras are definitely an investment, you guys, and you don't need the best camera, especially if you're starting out. You don't. You can use any camera, even your phone would work great. I have just upgraded over the years, but believe me, I started with my iPhone. But yeah, I definitely did make the investment because this is what I do for a living, and it was totally worth it for me. Honestly, it really was. So the camera that I use for like full face videos is the Canon 5D Mark IV. I love it so much. It's such good quality. I love it, love it, love it. And then the lens that I use is the Canon 70 to 200 millimeter lens. Now, both of these were definitely an investment, you guys. They were not cheap, but they're so worth it because I use them all the time. But like I said, guys, start with like just a basic camera, or even the Canon 70D or 80D. Those are great cameras too. The only thing I don't like about this Canon 5D is that it does not have a flip out screen. That's what I was so used to with my Canon 60D, 70D, and 80D, is that it has a flip out screen, but this one does not. But that is totally fine. I figured a way to like work with this. I have my monitor right here. This LG monitor, it's color correct. I even got it, I don't even know where he got it or when he got it, but it is color correct, which is so nice when I'm filming and I look at my screen. I know the colors are correct on the screen, so it is so nice to have. I don't remember the price. I can link it down below, or I can link similar ones down below for you guys, but yeah, this is amazing and a great investment. Okay, and so here is the name of my tripod. It's Manfrotto. So Ivan is the one who found this, and it's so nice. So when you turn it or move it side to side, as you can see, it's just like it's very smooth. It's not like wobbly. So yeah, that is the tripod that I use. So that is my filming area. Let me show you more storage and more of my filming equipment. Oh, I have my mirror right here too to take selfies and stuff like that. And a lot of you asked me where I got this mirror, this rose gold mirror. I got it from West Elm here in El Paso. I'm not sure if they sell it on their website or not, but I got it like 4 or 5 years ago. All right, guys, the closet. So the closet holds a lot of extra storage. It's kind of like the top is a little messy right now because everything just like kind of fell. But these are like extra containers and stuff that I need like for my makeup storage system or just for extra storage. These are like all my little makeup bags that I get in PR that I really like. And then over here are all of my backdrops. Like I said, I just recently switched to fabric backdrops and I absolutely love these. They're such good quality and they were like not even that expensive. I love them. And I got these hangers right here. They're really nice because they just like the backdrops just slide on. I can link where I got these below too if you guys want. And then below that is like more camera equipment. So this is more camera equipment and like props and stuff that I use too. So Ivan put this together to keep us super organized. He helps me film sometimes, so it's nice that we both know where everything is at. So right here was one of my lenses. I have more lenses. They're in my office right now because I was playing with them earlier, but here's like one of my other lenses in here. Which one is this? This is an 85 millimeter. We don't use that one too often, but I do have it. My clamps for my backdrops, just some extra lights. This mic that still works. I thought it broke, but it didn't, so we just have it in here. Some tripods, more equipment in here, guys. This camera, I don't use too often, but I do still like it. It's the Canon 80D. This one is nice because it has the flip out screen, so I really like that. This Sony camera I used to use when I vlog. Now I just use my phone. Label maker. Down here is like some of my Quacker clamps that I used to use for props and stuff like that. Some extra cords, a steamer. We steam the backdrops so that they're nice and creaseless and look really pretty. Lens case, some more props. Honestly, I don't even know what some of this stuff is. Oh my gosh, it's so dusty. So like old lights down here that Ivan has stored down here. There's a ring light, Diva ring light. And then down here is just more props and stuff like that. So the other side of the closet. So up here are my Jouer Cosmetics collection. Like I have a bunch up here just to keep for, you know, memories and stuff like that. Some mirrors I don't use, but I do like, so I keep them there. I plan on getting a vanity in my room, my bedroom, so I'm gonna keep some mirrors and stuff for that. All right, so right here, one of my favorite parts of this closet are all of my brushes. So this is my brush organization system. I got this idea from Desi Perkins, and I absolutely love these drawers. I have them labeled, so it's so easy for me to find what I need. So that's so nice. Back here is tripods. I think that's all I even put back here with some tripods. And then there's my extensions. And then I used to have four or five sets of Alex drawers. Honestly, I can't even remember. It's been so long. But I did save 2. I gave 3 away to family. But I did save 2. This is like for overflow, and this is like for tools and stuff. So like in this top drawer, I have eyelash curlers, tweezers, sharpeners, like some skincare stuff. And then a lot of them are empty, which is so nice because if I ever do need overflow from this system, which I'd be kind of crazy if I needed more room because this is insane how much room I have now. But if I ever do need more room, I have it, which is nice. So this is just like equipment, some hair, palettes, mirrors, what's in here? Like jewels. I think that's fake blood and like for Halloween. I actually used this for my Halloween tutorial last year, and most of these are empty. Some paint if I ever want to start painting, some props, little fabrics, tiny fabrics, and that's just an empty drawer. All right, so that is everything in the closet. And I just have this cute little agave plant right here. It's fake, but it's so cute. All right, that's it. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. It was really fun showing you, and I can't wait to show you more behind the scenes videos like this. If you have any questions about anything in my studio, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I would definitely answer them for you. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like on your way out. It helps me out so much, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!